Hi grade 1-2. So as part of your space theme this week, I thought we'd make a little construction space rocket. I've put a little DC Super Friend in mine. You can put a Lego piece in yours. So I'm going to talk you through how to make the basic parts. You'll need a toilet roll and a box of some description, shapes box. So I'm just using a popcorn box. First thing you want to do is open up and flatten out your box and just cut one side. Just so you've got all your pieces flat, like that. Okay, go back to your toilet roll. First thing we're going to do is put in the seat to put our character in, and then we're going to put some slits in to create the wings and the front of our spaceship. For this one, you're going to cut in two places. First, here and here. This makes the opening. We're going to squeeze the toilet roll this way. Open the scissors up really wide, and we're going to use the very end of the mouth of the scissors. Bit of a cut and a cut. Then we're going to push our toilet roll back to the shape that it was. We're going to put our scissors in those two cuts that we just did. And cut one side, lift it up, and cut the other side. Okay, so that's the seat. Now we need to create the wings. For the wings, you can just estimate how big you think your wings will need to be. When I look at the size of my toilet roll, if you're using something bigger like the inside of a Glad wrap roll, you'll need to do your wings a bit bigger. So I'm going to start mine off middle here. And I'm going to do a big letter, like a big triangle or upside down V. When I get to the end, I'm going to round them off. Okay, so that's my first shape. Now, I'm going to cut this one out, but I need to put the slices in the back of this one. So when I look where my seat is, I turn to the side and I'm going to cut a slice out of it here. I'm going to put a little line there so I know how to even it up so it doesn't wobble all around. So I take my scissors and just cut along that line there and cut along that line there. Now I can check it if I think it needs to be a bit longer, which I do. I'm just going to cut a little bit further along. So you'll figure it out as you go as to whether you think it needs to be longer or shorter. So I'm going to cut out the wings. Then in those two slits there, I'm going to push my wings in with the tail end of my spaceship so it sits nice and snug. And then I'm going to do the front. I'm going to do a similar shape and do the same thing again and line it up as best I can with a little slice that side. And a little slice that side. And on my piece of cardboard, I'm going to draw a similar shape. So I'm going to make the top round. Then I'm coming out like a big tall hill. I'll round them off. So this one is about the length of the top of my finger to my knuckle. And I'll pop that in that slice there. Go in. Okay, so this is a pretty basic form. I can fit, I made mine so I'd fit a Lego person in this time. Oh, his helmet came off. He needs a helmet if he's an astronaut. You can bend his legs if you like. Or you can have him standing up if you want him to sit out a bit more. So for this one, this is a pretty basic form. So now I need to decorate. You can either, if you have paint, you can paint it as it is now. If you don't have paint, what you can do is take all your parts off. Get yourself some white paper. Trace around your paper. Trace around the shape. So we're going to want 2 of those. And then you can colour in or do whatever lines that you'd like to have on your spaceship. Okay, so I'm going to go off and do this and I'll show you the finished product when I'm done.